Yeah, I got that. I got that spool that they like to get up behind before they run across the bridge. So I can just hold the corner. I can just win the corner and keep them from, yep, there we go. Yeah, they're coming. They just was casually walking up to that spool. Then I started firing on them. They scattered. I'm just testing my shot so when they get up behind the spool. Are you in the sun, Tim?
Yeah, I'm in the sun.
Oh yeah, fuck that. I'm up in the corner, man, trying to get out of it. It'd be cool if this thing had like one of them like one of them things you hide like military vehicles and stuff under.
Yeah, pushing sun. I can feel them.
They gotta come across this, they gotta get up behind that spool and then they gotta come across that bridge. And then with guys in the blue building, if they'll look across, they'll, if they get outside the building, they'll have just a clear straight shot on them. I was gonna get over there, but there was already two dudes over there.